नया टॉपिक हर्बल कॉस्मेटिक, हर्बल एक्सिपियंट्स, सम हर्बल फार्मुलेशन, उनके बारे में डिटेल में बात करेंगे। हर्बल कॉस्मेटिक, इन हर्बल कॉस्मेटिक वी टॉक अबाउट cosmetic that are made from herbal. Start today we start this. Cosmeceuticals is the fastest growing segment of the personal care product. These are the cosmetic products which contain biologically active principles or ingredient of plant origin. There is an increased demand for the use of natural substances in cosmetics in recent years. Due to their mild action and non-toxic in nature, in many cases they are found to be quite effective. To study the function, efficacy of plant-derived ingredients for their use in cosmetics, a new branch of science is developed known as cosmetic phytocognosy, which deals with biochemical and physiochemical properties of plants derived ingredient to be used in cosmetics. Basically, six different type of plant derivative ingredients are used in herbal cosmetic, which are as follows. First one, fresh material, dried material, a cellular product like oil, resin, gums. Fourth one, galenical preparation means infusion, decoction, extraction. Fifth one, process extract. Sixth one, pure isolated compounds. Types of herbal cosmetic are as follow. Herbal cosmetic basically skin care, hair care, others. In skin care, different type. For example, skin cleanser, moisturizer, antiseptic, soothing agents. In hair care, detergent, conditioners, nourishers, hair colorant, hair promoter, anti-dandruff. In other, color, perfume, talcum powder, oral care products, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging. Cosmetic phytocognosy is a new terminology for the science of function plant-derived cosmetic ingredients. Skin care products. Skin is a constantly exposed to dirt, microbes, irritant, radiations, toxins, which can affect the skin in many ways. Hence, to protect the skin, cleanse it, restore the tone, soothe it, and prevent tanning, wrinkle, and scar formation. Various preparations are used, which are enlisted as follows: skin cleanser, for example, milk, cucumber, citrus peel, aloe, moisturizer, aloe vera, neem, almond oil, rose. Nourishes honey, carrot, peach, wheat, germ oil. Antiseptic neem, turmeric, tulsi, lavender. Soothing agent sesame oil, almond oil, aloe vera. Sunscreen aloe vera, chamomile, calendula, cucumber. Anti-wrinkle, anti-aging. Peach, licorice, papaya, aloe vera, apricot, turmeric. Anti-acne, cucumber, gel, vetiver. Hair care products. In hair care products, hair complexion, color and style plays an important role in people's physical appearance. Hair care preparation are applied topically to scalp and hair. These contain ingredients which either clean, condition or nourishes the hair or prevent dandruff formation. The formation are as various hair care preparation detergents, for example, soap nut, Sikakari, Rita, conditioner, Hina, Amla, hibiscus, rosemary, tea nourisher, Brahmi, Bringraj, egg, coconut, sesame oil, hair colorant, Hina, hair growth promoter, Brahmi, Amla, hibiscus, coconut oil, sesame oil, anti-dandruff, soap nut, Sikakai, lemon, thyme, aloe vera, other cosmetic. Colors these are used to prepare various cosmetic products like lipstick, nail polishes, other products. For example, anthocyanins, saffron, turmeric, carotenoids, indigo, capsicum, chlorophyll. Perfume volatile oils like rose, lavender, jasmine, sandalwood. Talcum powders added to extract to impart desired flavor and odors. Sandalwood, rose, jasmine, lavender. Oral care products. Oral care products like toothpaste, powder, mouthwashes, fresheners, various herbs, their extract are incorporated into these preparation in order to achieve antimicrobial, antiseptic, anti-plague, anti-inflammatory, and mouth freshener property. For example, neem, mentha, chamomile, sage, myrrh, nutmeg, chitosan, calendula, rosemary. Soap nut Rita. Study of drug in cosmetics. Rita soap nut is consists of pod of Sapinus trifolius, Sapinus nucaraceus belonging to family Sapinidaceae. Description: it is a surf with linear pod. The dried powder of the pod is brown in color and have soap-like properties. Chemical constituents contain saponins, mucilage, gum, saponoside A, B, C, D, E, diosgenin, deuterosin, chlorogenin, rufogenin. Use it used as detergent, hair cleanser, hair growth promoter, anti-dandruff agent. Amla. Second one, Indian gooseberry amla. It consists of dried and fresh fruit of Phyllanthus imblica belonging to family Phyllanthacea. Description: it is a small tree with a number of globular fruits which are yellowish in color. They have a sour astringent taste. Chemical constituents: it is a rich source of ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Other constituents include tannins, minerals such as iron, calcium, phosphorus. It is also rich in pectin. Uses: amla is used for hair growth promoter, hair nourisher, hair conditioner, and hair colorant. Hina mentha. It consists of fresh and dried leaf of Lawsonia inermis belonging to family Lytheraceae. Description: it is a flowering plant. Its leaves are used to color decorate the skin area. Chemical constituent: henna contains a soluble component known as lawsone. It is responsible for the color. It also contains xanthone, tannin, flavonoid, coumarins. Use: henna is used as hair colorant, hair dye, hair conditioner, and nourish. It produces a cooling effect on the skin. It is also used to treat burns and wounds. Hibiscus jasmandi. Source: it consists of dried flowers and leaves of Hibiscus rosaneensis belonging to family Malvaceae. Description: red and white varieties are generally used in hair care preparation. It contains vitamin, flavonoids, anthocyanin, quercetin, mucilage, and albumin. It is used as hair growth promoters, anti-graying agent, hair conditioner, hair rinser. It gives smoothness and shine to the hair. C. Chai. So it consists of dried leaves of Theacynesis, Carmelia sinensis belonging to family Theacis. Description: the leaves are collected, dried, and made into the form of tea dust. Chemical constituents: tea contains polyphenols, catechin, epicatechin, caffeine, theophylline, theobromine. It used as hair conditioner, colorant, and it gives smoothness and shine to hair. Aloe vera Ghrith Kumari. It consists of dried and fresh mucilage of aloe vera belonging to family Liliaceae. Chemical constituent is contain anthraquinone like rene, aloin, imodine, minerals and mucilage. Chemically, mucilage is a polysaccharide consisting of salt and polyuronic acid. Aloe has a wound healing property. It is used in skin care and hair cosmetic. It is used to treat radiation burn. It is also used as hair conditioner and nourishers. Aloe is used as ingredient in various sunscreen, vitamin C, skin moisturizer cream. Licorice glycyrrhizia. It consists of dried root and stolon of Glycyrrhizia glabra belonging to family Leguminaceae. Chemically constituent, it contains saponin, glycoside, glycyrrhizin, flavonoid, licoricetin, and isolicoricetin. It uses ammonium and sodium salt of glycyrrhizic acid are widely used in cosmetics. It has a skin improving property in skin care. Turmeric curcuma. It consists of dried and fresh rhizomes of Curcuma longa belonging to family Gingirberaceae. It contains volatile oil resin curcumide like curcumins. Turmeric have antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, skin conditioning, antioxidant property. Is used in skin care product also as a coloring agent, antimicrobial, wound healing, incorporated in ointments and cream. Sandalwood, next one. It consists of hardwood of Santalum album belonging to family Santalaceae. Description: the wood is often from main stem and branches. It is usually collected from adult 25-year-old trees. Chemical constituent is consist of volatile oil which contain 95% of 2-isomeric sesquiterpene. Alcohol, namely alpha and beta santalol, will contain santalol, santalene, santonone, santalone, santalene. It is used in perfumery, skin conditioner, cream, lotion, soap, and powders. Bringraj source. It consists of herb of Eucalypta alba belonging to family Asteraceae. Chemical constituent is contain alkaloids, leptine, amyrine, vetolotone, validylic acid, lutein. It is anti-inflammatory. It improves the skin complexion. It is also used as a dentifrice. Sesame oil source. It is a fixed oil obtained from Sesame indicum family Pediaceae. Chemical constituent it contains glyceride of fatty acid, mainly oleic, linoleic, palmitic, stearic, arachidinic. It also contains phenol and sesame. Uses: it is used as nutritive softening agent, used in the manufacturing of soaps, ointment, and paste. Beeswax sources: it is a purified wax obtained from honeycomb of bees. Apis mellifera and other species of apis belonging to family Apidae. Chemical constituent: it contains esters of monohydric alcohol, myrcene, myrcic palmitate, erotic acid, malic acid, and aromatic substance cerulin. Uses: it is used in the preparation of ointment, plaster, cosmetic, creams, and lipstick. Thank you. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम हर्बल एक्सिपिएंट्स और उसका जो शुरू में हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन किया था, अगला टॉपिक हर्बल फार्मुलेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू।